So task 2 is about setting up a certificate authority and also setting up a root certificate authority using OpenSSL. And that's what we installed in task 1. So that's already completed, and or I looked up the version of that and made sure I installed that for not only virtual machine 1, but for the other virtual machine calling. So the first thing I did was create a directory called lab02, and basically you type in the mkdir command and then the name of the directory, which was lab02, and as a result that is stored inside of the home directory. Here's lab02 directory inside of home directory, and then here are the necessary files we need to set up the root certificate authority for task 2.2. But before I get to that, let's talk about task 2.1. So after I created that, I needed to create an empty file. But before we do that, we need to make sure that we're in the lab02 directory by typing in cd/home/lab02. And I'll show you that right here. The next step was to enter the empty file, touch space index.txt. And then also for serial, you just put a single number, 1000, in the file. So echo 1000 greater than serial. And that gets stored inside the lab02 directory, which is inside of home directory. There it is. There's serial. All right, so task 2.2 is setting up the root certificate authority, which is self-signed as it explains in the directions, using OpenSSL, and that's already installed. So the following command will generate a self-signed certificate for the root certificate authority, and you have to enter the long command. So make sure you get it right, which is this guy. And you have to make sure, as I said before, you're in the lab02 directory by utilizing the cd command. And once I do that, I have to enter my credentials. So the password would be passphrase. And then it asks me for the country name. I just put US. Scroll down. Here we go. Arizona, city, Tempe, my name, and last is the email address. And that is the end of task 2.